CCP Mayor Rohit Montserrat announced that this year's CCP budget allocates around Rs 120 crores for expenditures, with 18 to 20 crores dedicated to Panjim development. Key projects include the renovation of Santini Cemetery and the Karansalam Fish Market. He expressed satisfaction, noting that the budget reflects the highest recovery, marking a strong financial year.
आणि म्हणजे वन थिंग आय वुड फर्स्टली लाईक टू दोन मिनटं उलयता दोन मिनटां तुमकां पयलीं एप्रिशिएट करता हांव की तुमी 53 crores 53 lakhs सरप्लस दाखयला. इट इज अ गुड फिगर हेल्दी दिसता. एफडीज हॅव बीन नॉट टच सो अगेन इट इज अ गुड सायन. आनी ओपनिंग बॅलन्सूय 118 कोटी आसा तोय बरो दिसता. सो ह्या वर्सा सुद्दां कितें कॅलेमिटी आयली जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता सीसीपी कडेन फंड्स आसा. फक्त भंय दिसता म्हाका तो एकूच की जशें सुरेन बाबान ते 45% म्हणला आनी ट्रेड टॅक्सान तुमी 225% हें दाखयला इन्क्रीज इन कलेक्शन. जर तुमचे जर 15-20% सुद्दां कमी जालें जाल्यार यू विल फॉल इन डेफिसीट. म्हणजे इतलो तुमचो गुड वर्क जो आसा दॅट मायट कम इन ट्रबल. फक्त म्हणजे इट इज अ गुड वर्क वी हॅव डन. फक्त रिकवरीचेर एक सारको प्रोसेस करपाक जाय. आय थिंक दॅट इज डन वेअर यू विल बी इन गुड बुक्स.
Page 5. Last time you said 62 crores, 63 lakhs. Now you're showing 90.73. Sorry. Again, an increased jump of 45%. You explained what was the same. Then again on page 1, again there's a jump of 53%. I'm getting all confused because you kind of say crores and crores and crores and crores. Please justify, because last year the EO had said 93 crores and then collected only some 68 crores. I don't know where we are going to. I'm giving you the same. You can study the matter.
Yeah, so the budget details I will give you. Revenue is around 120 crores, expenditure will corresponding around 118 crores. So this year we are planning on spending at least our development outlay should be between maybe 15 to 20 crores that we're spending throughout the city. We have plans on refurbishing all of our existing infrastructure, all our existing gardens. We want to do the Karansalam Garden Children's Park, that also is going to be done. We want to spend significant amounts on the Santini Cemetery, the Karansalam Fish Market, we want to redo that. So we're going to spend a lot of money this year in terms of development. So in terms of all the savings and in terms of all the revenue increases also Commissioner has mentioned earlier. So CCP is a very good financial position. We have not touched any of our FDs. We've got significant, our recovery has been the highest out of any we finalized our lease market agreement, so not market agreements, the market procedures and formalities, the property is finally done. So we intend on pursuing the lease agreement or even license depending on what the council requires. So based on that, yeah, that is a general.
Sir, any loss due to smart city work?
No, so the budget has gone up by say around 30 crores right, on all is saying as per. We'll know now based on what the actual revenue we collected. But as far as our thing, all our payments and everything, I think we're not delayed on any of our payments and positions. And yeah, in a healthy financial position.
When will the building also coming?
See, Baba, I need space for the building also. CM has allocated only one floor. And this itself is a 2-story building. So we do not have place to fit in our existing, and it has to be in a convenient place where people can access. So we are trying now to get additional spaces. All the other government buildings have all been given out to different departments. So space now is our major thing. In terms of procedure also, they're almost done or done with all of our. Now space is our major thing. No, I'm also waiting. No, I want a new building. The Hibar and everything is showing also now. I don't know how long this building will last. So in terms of National Theatre also now, as mentioned, it's sub judice with the secretary. In terms of the market again, we have got the property onto our name. That has never been done. It's been done now. So everything is either in final processes or has almost been done.